Hi everyone, Sheree from Style Arcade. A quick user tip for you today regarding the list view of the products page. Okay, so image view of product page, which is displayed here. So all imagery and up to 5 metrics, which is controlled by the select columns option at the top here. So we can add or remove anything that we want displayed on the front of those cards there. Filter option, so displayed by any filters that you've added. So you might add a time filter, a category filter to bring up the data as you'd like to view it. Now, if we head over to the list view here, what this does is this gives us a really detailed overview of all data relating to those products. So covering intake, POs, sales, stock, sell-through, profit, everything you can imagine is contained in the back here. Now, it's really easy to modify the columns that are displayed. We just head over to select columns here and you can add or remove any of the information. So you might, if you were sharing this with a supplier or another brand, you might remove anything related to margin or profit. Super easy. So this is really easily modified to display the information as you see fit. How you might use this, completing any type of analysis, or really valuable for range planning because you've got your images here. So you could take this along to any range showings or to any brands, have your laptop in the meeting or simply print a version of the data that you're after. And you can make on-the-spot decisions because you've got all of the product performance right in front of you with a little image to make things super easy.